commission in the same great commission in the same.
I first of all, I'm say your founder come so for Ransford, the subai, the nimdie, the character, especially na hubrasi, obi o kroma bia humia. Say, bekai maybe maybe in a shia mena or say, hey, this is so for Ransford bano, nam say I. O say, o papa na hubrasi na opri America ba Ghana o ti plane so na okono osonioma ne ba ebonechi na ye plane ye up to gate nim enti o di speed ti o ru plane nim no na ne nioma bobon ho che se e bi free boni eyi ho apes sofo ete plane nim no fa ne nioma na obo amami no say sofu di mechia ko baby a mekotena o plane nim no obo am no di nioma ni nyina hyehye soro e maami ansa no kwakotena ni seat so e we nim ho no so o papa na ho brasie nti sofu ho brasie de unim ade e so obi esua and aboa asori no na nidaso hu anyame de ma no which is say unbuilding and who are committed people are fulfilling great commission. Great commission is say adia yesu ba ya obeye no ne etoaso enti ya sorry ne bibia ye based on nyame asem eni de yesu ba ya oyeye eni etoaso yesu papa ye ne nyoma bebre a oyeye ne nkyerɛkyerɛ a obɛkyerɛkyerɛ ye san kyerɛkyerɛ no ne efaso sorry and the abedru 40 years.
Would you join us on Facebook? Who Pastor Joshua Obeng, I mean, he's live on Facebook until we hono or honomo. Now, me personal experience power with Pastor. My baby, I'm here. My pastor to me, honomo. You see other pastors. Make us say, I've met with political personalities, any other religious personalities. Omo, ebi omo ba. Well, meet me up on chain. Bokrobe for about her body gas be a chan watch and the other sound say, hey, yes, one cassa never did and yasam ketua. Because of crown a body gas is any use one cassa never. But this be a man of God that may be crowd omun drew pastor. We share the years of service crowd woman own drew pastor. Pastor transforming how many he's over 60 years I walk. Now he be a young pastor, be not the old bow, ye now he runs for the old Chemukosa, the one you be ana, who said, this is a humble man. Ransford bit me about, and look at the way I to me, your friend Ransford, because when you won't, you know, Kokruko, or friend cross a casa brother, near queer baby. Ransford bit me up by entrance in any day. Ye no, yana, and yet now, bar her at this near the auntie, and no cranny said, now, whole brass any dear, say. What the chance of be be out of pride in Tina won't per se ubesi and as obeja to my when you're that type no where easily accessible be at me quan any other never ensu sonen to painful in especially or no the kind of sorry any demudiaba asantimamwa pastor yen say moye asori na mufrase kumasi twi ne yeka nenso ebe say abrofo kra ba eho ena omo pese omoko ena obia ni ho no ma wo se wakwa sorry wo CCC pa o kano kra di no kra ba no ho a obetumi akase wo jai eko CCC no edien na timi mane basa say asa be one big family and one family ya make kan sabi oba no so mpanyufo enye nipa bia kwa Upe kroma no mo empanyimfo pa ho no mkwa sorry asikafo pa ho no mkwa sorry ahiafo pa nso ho ne enso kwa sorry enti dia na atimi drive wa sorry no say mana ye unza na meka aye twi region aye ka twi ni ye pa ana brofo de nye asem ba matimi amana abese uti brofo a fine wonte brofo nso a fine bra na abɛyɛ sɛ asɔre a wo sika tumi kɔ woni sika tumi kɔ na deɛ ɛfɛ koraa ne sɛ woba koraa na sɛ woni sika busua bɛnya sika ne nyinaa ne sɛ bebree yɛyɛ kokora bi wɔ koraa motɔ ne ani bi bɛno bana me soma pake pake ka na soma pake bi ɛne ade ɛdɛ no motua mu asɔ na yɛ big umbrella obiara ɛtumi wɔ aseɛ bi
me feel say the one word is simplicity. Simplicity. Most of the time, it starts with pastor.
Me say, sorry, more sharing on Facebook, no. Was it last 2 weeks? Canada Japan was in the city. A honor sorry, honor to one. Join us on Facebook. Oba Opemsuo radio. Somebody didn't catch us. Nipa kese fodi nyina. Honor mkwaso. Mkrasa honor mkwaso. Nti ose kami bichiro.
And friends, the simplicity of pastor. Pastors, sorry, or very simple. In fact, sorry, what crab kase obu obetumi aba. Oba ka ebi odebeba. Ubehu so to atade ehye no any car de buy ense because sofo na emulate sad no ubehu sofo no aboy bi an t-shirt na oba simple ama obie to me feel free say sorry misu metumi ababi because enkoye say unzo ubekọ sorry bi menka say enyo but ubekọ sorry bi obi a hye suit obo so bi oni suit nti obe ye ne say media sorry mean to me maybe nti sa nneoma na right from the beginning any year was sorry no and allow amobia feel free so obeba and so obia accept just as you are
sorry ba ko ba say nkunya no asori mane asori panye nyina tena kunya ba ko so first I mean join us on Facebook nehwe omo tia ni mo ni nyina no Canada Japan was it last week we example am person wo hunu join us on Facebook Opemsuo radio Facebook akunya Canada Japan buy no so hum say akunya bi da ho no ma won che a ada se bia na ho na pastor krati na hwe obi a wote obi a ye ni pakese ena ni nipa ketwa wa asoro ho eno nche sa kasefo ni ho hwe oboma no to nche pa no ye high court judge pa no no to obon nsam za no but ye ni pakese eni ni paketwa so mo amohwe on Facebook no ba you can leave a comment now ye beji brack and can so this is CCC first time yen hwe mo time me catch obi say oba kumase a ombra so me communim say the city na ofre me catch me say de me kan ye na no anu hu ne me catch ne say asone start 8 obetumi catch obi say onhia wo 9:10 say ba bia wo kɔ no 10 minutes from the church in Kwanda obetumi kan say onhia wo 9:10 yen hwɛ mo time mo ne mo ye I think say ya de ba ko a enipa eka eno nso eho asempa say na mo management etie because ade ba ko banfo ani gye ho especially time management
minimum bia no okɔ asɔre bi me mo asɔre kɔ ne din oye mami penyi na mame no
Opemsuo
say we jai was started ba yeho
okay
and ni nyina ne say o say we penyi na age as say we dru no ontumi ntena asɔre nkyɛ saa ti otena asɔre cha na ne ho yira no because at the point in time eso ko didi eso ye use onyi a Kofi use onyi a na
yes edue nyina na apo obam
enti obi a onyi no obeto betena asɔre a for a long time enti your time there ye try say ye bedi so pepepe because we respect people's time amount for nipa ewo nyoma ye enti ye sorry every Sunday be sorry is an hour service and 8 9 near pon asofo bebrebusam say na ye den am yes because asobu there be an announcement
no cry
one
you cry pastor nyama nti o say to nyum kakra twen pastor we so umra na Ransford no no gina ho church amanfo kra that's nice you heard the last 40 years at CCC ba Kumasi we the member wa elaborate on that CCC's contribution to Kumasi or Ashanti region and of course Ghana. Be a politically, economically, education. CCC 40 years. Again, Yabo Kumasi and Assasantwana Ghana.
One of the things
Opemsuo.
Suffer started sorry now or GDP war is raising committed Christians and Kofua. Chese Christopher or Musubain a young kasa. And he said, Oko all throughout Ghana in almost every institution at Makobiano. Some of the people they seek after a lot as CCC members because because of the biano character here and yesikasem and kobo making sure say would nim dear will speak for you. And that has really contributed to nation building in many ways. Another thing is also the CCC churches and the kind of friends say employment even CCC has given across Ghana with the various churches we have. You're about 600 churches throughout Ghana and other parts of the world. Now, if each church say each church employs 5 people.
5 with the
least.
Least in the Grand Franco Bear 10 because we don't say I'm Tamalim who sees systems. Hey, this is in Tamalu. No one will be a baby. This is the way I saw near beginner. And your list in yet and your crab 15.
And imagine the number of employment that it gives friends to many people. I think that sometimes Ghana can't send be a man for assessing your bebre. Say in sorry a Ghana yina ekase ye tun sorry a Ghana more. The government will have a serious problem with employment. Serious. If they close every church in Ghana, the government cannot absorb employment in this country. And yet possible.
As some way, as some power. Because probably area amount for cardion course.
Yeah, possible because every church or employs singer or
drama, guitarist,
or guitarist,
pianist, and also organist. Yeah.
And sana every church piano or non property or security man or more accountant or beshe numaso. You will cleaner. My boy be 8 cry. So if you list 5 so if you take every church at Ghana na omo to tun sorry more will stand at a huge loss at Ghana. And I think number 2, one of the other things that the church does a lot is helping mental health. Kofi, mental health is an issue. Obu chese ni kuna tina enya sema nkwa fe wa numedru
enya me no do no pa sese
ntie bi obekọ asori so fusi ebeye not wakana kuma atoni yem. And so there are many things that over the years we've done, different prison ministries, your hospitals, and all other ventures that we've taken. There, Aja say when we moved to Aja for national health, you register Obiowe Aja for free.
I remember that
story.
Yes,
everybody in Aja, we registered them for free on national health. And over the years, we've tried to also contribute the best that we can. Ewo Kumasi, and near Guso, Yenwie, your bompa said next 40 years in the Kumasi for them by about Taichia, ye bay a big cry a change.
Obia sending me a private message. You be said when you mobia because of Pastor Ransford. Osina Nipano or Boba Sibra. Pastor Nimba Sibra. Oh, Pastor, But national service for you. And your national service are you NSS? Oh, are you rehab? Omuyana Jujume.
Aye.
About Timikwana Jo, Timina Mema 5 was Nadia Juma Mo. Say Najuman the Kuradias and the Mema 5 for Penny. Hey. Also when Mobia because of Pastor Ransford, Utimi Eja Sajumano. na was a pastor at me man be training was that one
years ago I think say be about 15-20 years back so for kosisa omomo sisa prostitutes street nim nyina e by e ma ye ma be brain sanu adwuma e ma omo start
I think when you be a benefit here
okay in fact meaning ba akokro e chiro ware sofo a omo awo a omo they are doing very well after that.
Wow. On Facebook Linda Mensa was say we love you Pastor Joshua PJ sanomo more messages okay come him say among for so more light to continue abrepa so electricity ne how join us on Facebook on your phone when you be home Richmond South so commander please my greetings to our pastor Bishop Joshua or that's or non so Michael Ajakrosi CCC is one of the best at time management in church service in Ghana. As someone can amount for so can in Shaba Junior, good afternoon, Commander, and Asanteman. God bless your good work. Okay, thank you. All right. In Shaba Junior, also CCC is the church others should follow. God bless Pastor Ransford. Babia will be our share and also be to me the message about we are live on Facebook, Opemsuo Radio, and Faye. Oko YouTube and so we are live or more. O shano obo Opemsuo Radio and as Opemsuo TV. So yeah live until electricity tete or baby ona join us on Facebook or on YouTube na Obeng be alive. Pastor, you have 40 years. CCC 10 years celebrating or saying NIA kono 40 years celebration.
40 years.
Apparently asani Easter cross and she
any Easter say 40 years ago. CCC yes starting Easter Sunday.
Oh,
into pepe.
Exactly.
Friday 4 p.m.
Friday, yeah.
Friday be Easter Friday. I
come on in here. I heard just out from 1 minute and I'm so heavy. You need to go and you're so concerned you can't say, "Unni papa." So, one we are quite an ayo.
Until 4 p.m.
Okay.
You be share with CCC.
Okay.
Tech Police Station in Chiro Aja. You better nyom, you better Easter carols, you know, Easter friends hymns.
And new Good Friday Croatia.
And all will be your first. Now, Sunday, be Easter Sunday, and CCC Aja main so yina ebe share ho as celebrate the goodness of God.
Easter Sunday.
Now friends say.
Okay. Mr. Babia will be join us on Facebook. I think says the Bibia clear the amount in events outline no and edahono celebrating 40 years of feeling the Great Commission event outline no and edahono. So so there's so for Good Friday April 18, 2025 CCC Ashanti Region 4 p.m. CCC anniversary cloth on Beshania. So for you Good Friday na ankasa yaka CCC Ashanti Region na chese CCC e wo nso
CCC e wa Ashanti Region
okay
enyina region bia e wo Ghana bia edine de
okay
anti northern region omu bedi omo de eastern region omu bedi omo de and so for be core region
nyina okay ni abe climax on the we know Good Friday
Good Friday
that's great. Now ni 20th na Easter Sunday no yeah, no, so I didn't because
20th na Easter Sunday no will be a day of celebration. Yena yeba abe celebrate but no a sorry be our Ashanti region CCC or move be abedi ni de e wona sorry.
Okay. Now my 21st CCC community feast and games.
And no
we dey come in yan the tebia no say me ko bi
but one mass Sunday onka ho
o feso ba Monday bia betro di Sunday
Sunday no u betro di a Monday o ba ni ama chite so wa be di eduane for free.
Oh wow, Okay, so I don't need that Monday, Easter Monday.
Easter Monday.
Okay, answer never call Easter Monday. No, Easter Sunday near here. More 2 services.
Yeah, 2 services.
Okay,
Aye.
first service na ebi obi person first service na eno ye say 8.
First service near 8 o'clock.
8, okay.
Aye, na second service near 10.
Abusia time na make kan ni nti wa be by 8 no by 10 no second service started 10 and so m 9 o'clock and 9:30 no na omapon nti hwe 1.5 hours so eno na bibia wo mu bi. Can you imagine we kura na ye anniversary celebration no oh just 1.5 hours nti on Easter Sunday so pastor bi akọ na de owie na obi wo ayi awia na apese okọ bi akọ anopa no ne kwa de opese oye bia na ne nyame ankonya asem ene okọ ayi a on so wakọ asori na why senye sanso na apese okọ 10 na owie 10 na ne on so wabu e dia for nti 2 services but so for answer na be call Easter Monday there apart from this Easter Sunday I in 2 services no services and kasa wa sorrow no is it 3 services
Sunday be I 3 services.
Okay,
6 o'clock.
6, okay.
6, 8 and 10.
6, 8, 10.
Aye.
Okay, njabusia apart from this Easter Sunday any other Sunday no ubetumi akọ 6 and upper 6 nti we no person to kwa akra timi kwa sorry esa akọ wi so the flight kwa na akọ akra betumi akọ asori akọ aba maybe crab some better test service no be to offer no home na just say okay that's nice but this particular Sunday the next Sunday the anyway Easter Sunday now 8 a.m. and then 10 a.m. na feast no na as a Sunday now the betru di na Monday obedidi feast na say na ho nsam tie aduane ba na mo de beba ye nyina betuma bedi bidi ba so me say ti won ma me am di mbrodo beba oh so now no say this is my third pastor pardon me ka say omo ye communion service no na me amato me pa no if you are not sorry the announce me this is communion the odi a say obenya nhira pa nti me di ni kese yen hwe community feast no bia no aduane free aba na sorry no ye buffet send any material
friends sorry your communities
okay.
And munyina yo mo special aduane and aba nti na so ba Sunday no abetro di our community na also ba community o mo ma
there's this message was it needing the George Kwaku and Kwaku George my kind of Kwaku George I don't say Kwame Thomas idimbo on my sa Kwame Thomas ya Paul and Kwame John and George Kwaku George why I was a tell Pastor Joshua I love him a lot and he will be my brother for life from Apostle George Williams. I don't know if you know him. He's watching. Nana Drowa, you are also watching. It feels good to know. Also, my daddy PJ. It looks like said the make an CCC unya ramu ewo campus near the dia no near sorry I will be a can and one sem na one a year about me private gaba koso or you fit and you bet me a baby. I mean, say often or journey and dear.
Obey to me about do. Obey to me about do. See a very name. Aye.
Young 40 years, baby, I saw in a bedroom. There's so much happening with CCC. I dear fair partners, of course, the more my fast or common Pobias or no. Udromona cast and no ACC Honomo pa. When you bet you who say, hey, by ya no sounds, and you're some to me, baby, I'm some dear can hobby. Obi a teacher near I saw no most moon here teachers or between dinner dear assume Yami was Aquan so. Obi a driver near obit me up assume Yami was Aquan so. When you have fit near okay because sorry bass obit me as service you. Young share and Yuma so be ya obit me so a bass or more day. If you are not to me purchase a Pastor Joshua, no bit me at the Saquan so a boy.
Oh, you may be a ubet me about sorry. In fact, one of the things you encourage people about is that you may be a skill be able to me use to assume yame. Edia 7 nti em fa ho adwuma ye bra ye beju awa 2 na ya hwede nyame so betumi use aye beboa nyame dwuma.
Thank you, Pastor. I'm say on YouTube, so I'm on phone so hard more follow power. I say God bless you, PJ. I think I like the name PJ. Pastor Joshua, I don't know, for being a great pastor father and the leader from Agruin Akansen. Aguri said, Mambo Dinya Fachami. Thank you for watching. Rebecca Nyame. Also, CCC is an amazing church. Pastor, why do people think CCC is an amazing church? I testify, but what have you done? Ama abayet sabe accolade attached to CCC.
Maybe it's a one consistency. We have been consistent for 40 years here.
Yes.
You can tell, say we have been consistent. And a friend say, "Nyamia sem and debia ye church nipa no. Ye personal issues and your personal dream, but nyamia sama what church our Bible, and I keep on saying the simplicity. It's very simple. The simplicity.
There's a question here, and it's a comment we send it. Remember how I think. Mamin Jinason and Bisas now Casa a full stop, comma. Mobile 40 years, there hasn't been any allegation of Pastor Tom Oil, Pastor Jimmy Sika, Pastor Imisi. And so Ransford said there was a Dinia Indian Corno, Boa Cran or Castle Bobo to Matoma. Miasos Uncle Benescapa. What is it? Sabi Munyan Comadi. And so, I saw Nijan and also a Kosoa and
Who's Kofi before you very complicated people. I don't mean him the entire because what's now Brucheka, Cranau Qua Brucha, sorry, Brunin, yes, and I me feel almost Yamana, almost some Yamikroya, but before now, complicated. Who's who call hospital crana? Say Dr. Shaw crown on mouth or tro.
Well, your mammy was one free me.
One female,
One free me. Oh, young feed and yes, and Chinmujan.
Chinmoja, Dr. No shower, you call you me saying, or you me saying, what you show me near Mamuna. Aha, and yeah, complicated people, but I think say, yeah, saying, yeah, Drew pointer, most people are Nyoma simple. Because Nyameno, Nyame, God is a simple person. Nyame, or a simple person. I didn't think I make us. Nyame is so simple, say, Penya or Yambans or Mampeyin, it to me related to him. And I call a kitty crash to me related to him. And that's how simple God is. And you try say you portray such simplicity so that anyone from all works of life can relate to this God.
Still on messages about power, and I think I'm happy for say Omo Espresso Omo Bismarck Neniaji Power Bismarck Kasante say God bless you PJ. I'm say would you know PJ ne for the PJ Pastor Josh. God richly bless you, PJ. Nana Kofi Boakye. Kwasi Abua Awuzi was an excellent presentation. We thank God for the presence of CCC in Ghana. That's a great comment. CCC in Ghana. Mobwa and Kumasi Kwanya Santimankwa. Abusa Babia Obia, I may happy for this conversation. My name is Enya Software. The beyond some trust and say Kumasi Puntu, Santiman Puntu, and Ghana Puntu. If not for anything at all, this is CCC. I'm talking about a church. Yanshe ni no the message ba say when you cousin bia or benefited from Pastor Ransford so kwa bontin na sabe omo no ye ba si bra no wadi bi mutu omo mun sanadwuma de o sua 3 years sua de opamade pam ene if not for anything at all hwe abusuan bia wayi o ma free obonsam puntu chiremo seden. I think it's worth celebrating. Sha sorry obi timi so okwa sorry but okwa adwuma because we driver near on also boade ne ho odin esum. Me de ye ka se sabe o kan nipa enum na mo nyina sabe o mo adwene nya adwuma do to so nsia no eye wo na o kan mo ho no. Se num na adwene nya adwuma kan mo ho de aka ho bi. Me ka ko se CCC yesikafo asori sa na mo kana ko binien kan won ka ho bi. Won so yesikani Me is it me kwasoro okra me system because but luckily when I'm a ta kosumpa nti enye me nwanwa wo se de me mahuni mo amu 30 program yi pa na no am enno me call hon because na me pastor be ba ha ne de o se me di mani kohwe na nka ni ma bi nko yi anka me de mia no enso ba jane say honam ko hu Dr. Rick Bimpon wo ha no doctor nso member of CCC. I was like ko na Osma have 20 something years near there. And you can see the kind of people are sorry no eba or because a word base inspired by the Holy Spirit and the leader no example. Now look at the message will be eba was it okay Gideon Sechi Ampofo was it tell him for me God will bless him, he is a blessed father to us and obi can say him say onim de wo hunu pa Okek Blaze was PJGZ. It is a wonderful feeling of how was it a church that builds and gives great learning and life experiences in CCC. The model church is 40. PJ, Okek Blaze. Now, Kwabno also was PJ. You've been such a great example. We love you, Roland. Quoting Roland. See you are watching. I said, this is CCC. Pastor, they baby, you know. Meaning, say handling youth, adding pa. And sorry, baby, ukuma youth, you know, not necessarily say me neglected, but to have them, so what keep them compact with that great influence. Because you can see, say, sorry, just one service. We are panini because me no say me ba hono me no meeting ti. Which me who will be 70 years, will be 60 years in the same service. Which me who will be 18 years, will be 24, 25 years. I mean all across the ages ni na who will be much how especially youth no adding and obi ba no ne trouser what twitwa anymore ni ade yet CCC home more bia and you can see, say, Nyame Wahane. You know, how do you do it? Especially having a service when youth and the youth union, we bought more cry. Said an arcane, a boma one tibrofo. And smooth me, yeah, have any pan or to be. Beaumont, you don't or Tinacujum. How do you do it? Ubia Yanaso and any dear, and here we are celebrating 40 years. In one service will be a
again simplicity. You know, the simplicity of it all and us to be able to reach everyone who's packaging how you package maybe a product is very important. Nyameno, the way I will see a packaging asem no, it's a idea obia to me nyebi. Ye chenya me asema obia nyebi. But to say bia, for example, say meba sorry na nipa 300 na wo ho. Na obia Jimmy fro obia na mama no prophecy one by one. Ebia nyo obia na metumi ama no prophecy.
Obinzu prophecy dem asem.
Men masem. Men ka say a bad day. But the American say, how many people to me friend pa 300 now?
Debbie. Now me cry the ama side baby sa men pekor. Na me to na say bia me feel before that time na ho no na obegu mani ma say na say obeka ne say.
Enti say utumi di nyame asem ma wo. Na ya obia benya ne chefa nyame asem ye powerful. Obia benya ne chefa ewo a friend say nyame asem nim na obia kofie so anani agye me ba sorry no nyame ne makasa ewo nasem mu enti we metumi afa we e de akobo me bra and those are some of the simple things sorry I me feel say aboy
righteous the ladem among for any other conversation or power some benyan can be service wa righteous or say my bishop, my mentor, my life coach, and my everything. God bless you so much for our generation. Now let's talk about Salt City, a new generation ministries. You are the head of Salt City and New Generation. Salt City no saying was surname and a New Generation saying.
But sure, Salt City young people are more universities, tertiary institutions.
Okay.
AI we reach out to or more.
Okay.
And a new gen more SS okay. Reach out to or more and sorry. They are very vibrant, and we are trying to encourage them to build character, build their career, and build their relationship with God.
Oh, that means so be bass no or JHS. Much of that a program for more movie to me, they reach out to them.
In fact, your building I separate. Your more building. Omu BBA.
And son of SS for so dear.
Aye.
Son, we a young adult, also dear.
Also dear.
That name painful crown among you, many and crown so at the end so honey. And
Colasso dear.
I said,
you're a 60 classroom block for Nkola.
60?
Yes.
Every Sunday?
Yes.
Wow.
Just for Nkola.
Sorry, man, no be out bow.
Yes, just for Nkola.
Oh.
Nkola ministry na hu hia e kra chenhwe.
Wow.
Aye. Minimum crofo brain no mo sorry. The way I see your Nkola anti no started ba sorry because ne ba e ba sorry say no ba wo be hu ni mate bi wa be hu ayi o inti okwa oka che ne mam say o ne say ma sorry ma join no ma me be o free Holland by a friend say or then ne ma buy or ba 1 2 ano say ma sorry no ma join you until oka che ye crash or call back to Holland 93 weeks in Nkola ne ma sorry into ye pay obi every Sunday be your kofa Nkola ne ba sorry no side Nkola ne ko Opemsuo ma me beba.
Wow. That's nice. Abusan, we are celebrating CCC. CCC is 40. Na baby will be a boy program you the muamunim the somebody like me who want to speak to Pastor Joshua. Pastor Joshua being a resident pastor at CCC and Aija because me share a neema a beboa santima kumasama na sorry 40 years. It's and can young one was a Methodist and can young one was a Anglican, but to have a sorry to say CCC, especially over say na Ubeka say Hanmuchin Quaniaku na brofono cry any saying Yanni won't cry any saying so they better sorry. No, as we a pastor pana say Opemsuo di pana o tiaso wo kumasa so ben brofo dia so wana minim na no natural the bold step as wo tie nyame asem de adwuma nyame tumi ye eno ena founder pastorans for Obeng and Pastor Joshua Obeng mu nyina ekuramu ama ya ba bedru sei mo messages mo de ba wo YouTube ni ayi ni nyina Mantian can fetch me Rebecca Nyamo say God bless you richly PJ bless you Papa we Charles or say poku will land quite once. We thank God for how far the CCC has come. CCC at 40. Pastor, ko na so be person will join us sorry na. I'm sorry I say California who ana because na baby am we dey me ne ayifo nyina ahia okọ to nyina me ne omuhia Kofi Boakye me ye dem baby enya form bia enya ayi bia CCC a big man sorry obi person baby e kwan ben so no betimi afa so aba
so person baby Sunday bra sorry
tietia
obo
betimi kwa abechao
betumi abechia me Sunday bia
bodyguard
oh Sunday bia me share visitors abanyina Sunday bia me share visitors abanyina say so for Ransford wo ha ono aso be share visitors wo nyina nti Sunday de oba sorry now your visitor dia Sunday bia ye be bompa ma me chia onsem you betumi ni made nkomo you betumi ni software di nkomo so
yeah me kra de oba sorry now we ya carpenter ni how de me hu na me say me oda bi kra na me boss asa wa na me ma wa boss di wo to aso no wo mu no kra no we are well connected. We are well connected, and we thank CCC for everything. Once again, just in case you just joined, and I have with us Pastor Joshua Obeng. If you care to know, let me give some credentials, okay? Yeah, he deserves that. He is a PhD student at the University of Asia, public speaker, life coach, head of Salt City and New Generation Ministries at CCC, and currently the resident pastor at the Calvary Charismatic Center. So for young baby, I saw no say. And they kasa apart from other places in head main no
main your tech police station at Chiho. I asokori mampo asokori mampo
asorke siene ho no
asorke siene
udro ho fefe no
ai ye ne wo enti udru ha come by and see us anytime. We are always available.
Obi message I say the last time I ba ho no na the Pastor Men's Table program bi and a man e ba ho no ne no aba waka obe member ono so e dia o de e ba no we de midimo chi a na yem pon no say me pastor commissioner say obe pass it through na ye ho de e koso no. Pastor, before you leave, anything for my listeners, especially those Omunye CCC members? I know other members will be watching CCC. The message keeps coming. I'll call YouTube. I think YouTube for the also. I'll say we are CCC committed people fulfilling the great commission. God bless you, PJ. We love you. And this is coming from Joshua Obeng. Oh, okay. Joshua Obeng. It feels good to see you watching Joshua Obeng Pastor. So for now, make us say, oh, qua Ediana Woody Giant, all for the youth. I mean, started with the youth, and they, you know, Ocean Yama, Air Coso, or Ghana Hanama. Pastor, but you wouldn't read. What's a red one? So, okay, dear now, Woody Giant, because I have a national canker, a social canker. Between the nation comes and Usima, heat neighbor and any condition. Adding an advice to the youth, especially now, maybe I'm about what you leave to our listeners, but your youth Nankasano. What would be the advice to the job?
Me feel say one of the things that happen in Ghana youth, you know, they've lost hope. Or Mufi say any dasuo bi any ho. Entina and the youth are doing all sort of things because they feel there's no hope. But me feel say what they wo re eshe Yesu Christo moi. There is always hope for you. And my advice I'm many young people and they say look to Jesus. Minimum crofwa me can't obi say me papa say baby o free no a crassito and I can say a cruto. And so shady and kakra nyame denaye because ordinary the reshe yesumo enti emfa hu the situation, the economic situation, the political situation e wo Ghana ha say the real she yesumu ni ma yesu so Opemsuo osesanya brabo a there is always hope for us. The problem is say ye di hu but 2 years so a ye man is sesanya brabo and you ra yesu mu ba ye ma yesu ra yemu you ra sorry ba ye ma sorry ra yemu. But if we will do that, there is always hope for us. And me chidi pa say obi or a young person be and now we a parent now we tear me now you've lost hope in your child. Me
Opemsuo
jinyamedi nyame betumi aye something tangible on my life,
especially so don't a boss CCC sorry na if not for anything what is a pastor can omani ko me producer so person bia o ka bibi e chere pastor me ma ho kwan na okay you pastor 5 call what's that mean for 5 edion na me kwan kan many time so be free na say 0596259444 okay 0596259444 and 0560180880 and then normally I don't do this say and come my time no afraid by me producer said the amount for how I should be man no can bet me afraid just in case you want to just say time no cry aso 0596259444 and 0560180880. Let me also remind you that right after this and many Kwabre is Kwabre is yes honorable nyina and so e won komo twetwe ba bia obi ameka say Opemsuo 104.7 na so for answer na abekona meka say what we youth in dia Ghana maitio CCC meka say ope doctors papa pomu CCC ope contractors papa pomu CCC nyanwa wa say so obi ye event bia no enye so okoye no is it K University auditorium here or no choose CCC because your contractors papa must see sorry dana to me event bi ono yen hwe outdoor tom wom ene Ghana form wetie no e de na ye di eja wo
Kofi meka say ade a high power Ghana
Opemsuo
transformation broni be say transformation ye kwa sorry so transformation ni ho senka ye be allow ye ho ama Yesu the teachings are transforming ya and can your mind in you. And one of the things I mean about transformation, what you say, and society, abrabon society, is that a shall see free what dream. So what dream and society only ye and society. So open say bibi a cross sa e see a tumi sesa nipa no adwen ansa no omonne ya sesa ye nioma bebre unfortunately and sesa e to bo a asori crampo no obehwe no obi edidi a no de ato efom e wa asori oye asori o yaba
I good me hu message ba ko na me I just killed no ye wasi mu washroom kra ne kuno no washroom no was say no cry no kuno no. And I think one of the transformational measures say be a moboa because this is you don't see people
because
later.
Kofi we are sorry and are suffer now why the people are your wo Ghana hano obu ha baby a oko sebi okogya ne nan kra enye fe enti obeyde nya vision say a human being should not go to places like that. Onya. And unless say be a sorry ye baby a fenti nipa na eba no or share bathroom or share environment ye clean yina no na ni yina no or onya da ye so say this is how I should be living. Oh, in yina ye transforming people's minds. Oh, ye Ghana hano a sad government. The work of government does not really work on transforming and
the mindset.
Anka a sorry ni school and a yes ejuma no. Now unfortunately in school no.
I be
ya to sergeant
and no bit correct me for you.
Yeah, say school a omon dream say esi
nipa adwene
ema
nifa kwam
na ne ye no so esesa enti nipa de na adwene ansesa wo ye de ne ye ensesa enti me de me encourage amanfo say ya allow nyame asem na ensesa ya adwene se ne ye ne ye so besesa because ye ne ye sesa Ghana betumpom.
Pastor Joshua PJ sana mumbe brebe feno or a resident pastor CCC again just to run this information by you and you can see from our screens more Facebook and YouTube you can see what actually is going on with the celebration of 40 years